All right, this is how to install the Microsoft Office 365. So when you get it, go to office.com in your browser. So you activate it. So when it opens up, you click on sign in. So when you click on sign in, you see where it says your email address. You copy the email you received in the mail that you received. So I already have the email, so I'll just copy it from it. But you copy it from the email you received. Then I minimize. Then you paste the email here and next. Then the password, you copy the password too from the one you received in the email. Then I copy it and paste. Then you click on sign in. So it will prompt you to change the password. So here now, this is where you change the password to what you want your password to be. So for the current password, you paste the same password from the email. Then the new password, you change the new password to what you want for yourself. So this is whenever you want to log in, you log in with the email and the new password you changed for yourself. So type the password here. I'll do the same thing and the confirm password. Then I sign in. So when you sign in, you are good to go. So click on yes. So this is what you will see. This is what the interface will look like. Then get started. Now we need to download the Microsoft 365. So you navigate to apps. See where it says apps. You navigate to apps. Then click on all apps and you just click on OK. Okay, follow the prompts. Okay. Then click on install apps by the top left right corner. Click on install apps. Then click on Microsoft 365 app, the first one. Then wait for the page to load. So once the page loads, you will see where it says install Office. Click on it and it will download. Open your download. You see the downloaded file. Open it. You see the downloaded file, Office setup. Yes. Click on it and just hold on. See Microsoft Office will pop up. You wait for it to start the download. Just hold on. So the download has started. So you wait so that it will download all the Office softwares to your PC. So once it downloads, all you just need to do is close this page, go to your apps, search for your Word and all that, and open your Word and you are good to go. Open your PowerPoint and you are good to go. So we'll just wait for the download to finish. So you have to make sure your internet is on during the installation so the download will be fast. All right, the download is almost done. Okay, now the download is done. So you can see you are all set. Just close it. You can close the browser. Now let's check the apps. You can see there Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. So just open Word. You can see Microsoft 365. So let's go to the accounts. You can see the subscription for products for Microsoft 365 Enterprise. So let's open up a document. You can type as well. You can see everything is working perfectly fine. We open PowerPoint again so that you see PowerPoint. So you see that PowerPoint or every other apps work as well. So we just close this and so close it. Don't save. All right. So let's open PowerPoint. So open PowerPoint. See Microsoft 365. Let's go to accounts. Your accounts. Okay, open the accounts. You can see subscription products for Microsoft 365 apps. So let's open a document as well. You can see, you can type something here, and you are good to go. Thanks.